This is Bailey Rose and her grandmother. Look up at the camera. This is Bailey Rose and her grandmother. Bailey Rose is 3 months and she looks cute as ever. It's a cold day outside, so she has on a cap. But her grandmother is holding her, and
she's cute.
And she's a cutie pie. Yes, she is. Okay. So here she is. We're at the Emeritus Court in Ontario, California. This is where Bailey is visiting her grandmother today. Can you say hi, Bailey? Can you say hi?
She wants to sit up.
You're looking at your grandmother? Yes?
Yes.
Oh, all right. Okay, little Bailey Rose. I'm going to turn off now.
See you later, alligator.
And this is your grandmother, Edna Hickman Thompson. Look up for us.
Well,
okay, goodbye. Say bye, Bailey.
bye.